Hey friends, it's Eric and today we're checking out the Eufy solar charging wall light and camera. That's right, this is a wall light that has a built-in camera. Not only that, but also has a solar panel right there on top, so you should never have to charge it up as long as you're getting good sunlight. So this is a brand new product that they did send out to me for a full honest review. So without further ado, let's quickly do an unboxing and see what this is all about. Boom! Wow, this thing's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. Because I've seen some wall lights that you put on fences and stuff, but I guess because of the camera and everything, this is definitely much bigger than I thought. Wow. And here's your camera right here. It has a good sized light. It is mostly made of plastic, but it's a hard plastic. You got your solar panel right here on top. Obviously, probably mounting this in a great location where you get a lot of sunlight is probably going to be your main focus. If you don't have a lot of sunlight, this thing is probably not for you. It's probably more difficult to take this up and down all the time and charge it up, which I don't even see. Oh, maybe it's under here. I was looking for a port to charge this up. It's got to be here. One of these should open up. There we go. There's a port. There's a USB-C. All right. And there's a sync button right there on the back. There's a little lip right there. Help you mount this. Camera in front. And it looks like there might be like a little drainage hole or something right there. Not quite sure what that little hole is. It does open up to the back. Let's see what else comes with this really quick. All right. Box of goodies. We have some mounting hardware. All right, this looks like a silicone water tight seal. So if you want to plug in a wire, you have a watertight seal right there. But, oh, here's the wire I was about to say. Okay, so here is the water. I'm not quite sure why there's a watertight seal on this one and then they include this one, but we'll have to find that out in the install. But they do include a little wire, and it is USB-C male on this end and then USB-C female on this end. And it's just about 3 inches or so. All right, let's see what else is in here. Got a quick start guide, and then we have the mounting hardware. So that is probably why there is a hole down here, because you probably mount this first and then you mount this to that. Yep, that's exactly how you do it. So you can see this all lines up perfectly like that. Then you put a little security screw right there, and this thing is not going to go anywhere. So I'm surprised there's like no double-sided adhesive or anything like that. Looks like the only way that they want you to mount this is with screws. Obviously, you can do whatever you want with it, and I think you probably get away with definitely using some outdoor double-sided adhesive if you really want to, and really put this anywhere as long as you're getting good sunlight. That's very important with a unit like this. Now, it is a fixed camera, so you have to keep that in mind. It is looking down, so you probably want to mount this higher than lower, but not too high that it's not going to pick up with the motion sensor and the other sensors that are built in here for the AI. Now, this is a 2K camera, and there are no infrared lights because it does have what they call clear color night vision, which means that it's just a camera that sees in color. Yes, some of them might be better than others, but usually you always need some type of light. So if you don't have any moonlight, or there's not some light from somewhere, from a neighbor's house or from your house, this thing's really not going to work unless this physical light turns on so the color night vision can see. More about that in my full review once I'm able to test this out and see what it really looks like at nighttime. There are motion sensors built in here, so if you want that light to turn on when it sees motion, I'm positive that is a feature that's built in Synapse, because all their other camera light combinations also have that. So really cool. Hope this video was helpful. It's really cool checking this out and see what it looks like. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.